Hi guys, this is Fluffy Cube with unboxing. Fluffy Cube 30, sorry for that. Okay, here's my 2x2 and my Pyramix, major Pyramix. Let's start the unboxing. Okay, let's start with the 2x2. I actually waited a couple of days for this unboxing and for the box. Wow, it's really smooth, not bad at all. My friend has one and then one of these pieces broke, so yeah, I'm just gonna go do a quick solve on this. Okay, wow, it's really smooth. It feels like it was lubed when it comes here. Gonna just put it back in the box. Okay, then the Pyramix. Oh wow, I didn't expect that from a Speedcubes at all. It's really good, not that bad. Okay, let's solve this thing. I'm not so good yet with a Pyramix. It's my first time, or my second. I don't really know. There we go. Yes, thank God. Oh yes, sorry guys. Just a little bit tired this morning. Okay, this is my unboxing from Speedcubes. So we can do it, thank God. Okay, then this is gonna be my main for Pyramix because it's the only one. This is gonna be my main for 2x2 because I think if I got a new one, this is still gonna be my main because it's really good. It's not that bad and it's not that it's really cheap, not so much expensive for a 2x2. And this is my 3x3s. I only have 4 cubes. This is my main 3x3, the Chewy Thunder Club. This was my first cube of all of them. The Rubik's Cube. I looped them very much because I thought, hey, why not? You see, it's really not that bad. It's kind of still a bit, it's not loose, just gonna tell you that. And it's not really, if you take the Thunder Club, then it's a big difference. Because, like, really, so yeah. The Rubik's Cube in the beginning, it's really stiff. It's dirty too, I don't know why, but beginning it is. And then you get the Thunder Club, it's clean. That's just an accident. It's clean, it's not stiff, it's really smooth. But the Rubik's Cube is not so bad at all. If you loop it, then you can do very much with it. So yeah, that was my Rubik's Cube brand solve, and this is gonna be my Thunder Club solve. Yeah, let me show you how I'm gonna do this. very much faster because it's very much smoother. And if you want to watch more videos, go to Fluffycuber 30. There's 2 videos. And if you watch more videos, go to my friend Nubicuber. I think, don't really know the name, but go to Nubicuber. So this is my collection for the year so far. And yeah, my premix, 2x2, Chewy 2x2, Chewy 3x3, and the Rubik's 3x3. This is a Mojo pyramid, sorry to say. When I got it out of the box, it wasn't really, it was nice, not so bad at all. This was in plastic, but this wasn't, so not that different at all. So thank you for watching, and please a link or subscriber. Thank you.